In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track items on Shopify 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on inventory tracking for a product so your stock levels update automatically as orders come in, helping you prevent overselling and stay organized. First, go to your Shopify admin, open your preferred browser and sign into your Shopify dashboard. You'll land on the home view, but everything we need is available from the left-hand sidebar. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue, so the changes apply to the right catalog. Next, click on products in the sidebar. This takes you to the full list of items in your store. You'll see titles, statuses, and sometimes variant counts. If you have a lot of products, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to manage. Inventory tracking is set at the product or variant level, so we're going to open the specific item you plan to track. Select a product from the list to open its details page. If your product has variants like different sizes or colors, choose the exact variant you want to work with after the page loads. That ensures you're adjusting the correct SKU. Take a moment to confirm the product title and options so you don't accidentally change a different item. Now go to the inventory section within the product. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an inventory card on the product page or within each variant's details. If you're using multiple locations, you will also see location-specific inventory fields here. This area is where you'll control whether Shopify tracks the quantity and where you can view or adjust on-hand counts. Finally, enable inventory tracked. Look for the option labeled track quantity and turn it on. Once enabled, Shopify will automatically deduct stock as orders are fulfilled. If you operate from more than one location, make sure the correct location is selected before you adjust numbers. You can verify or update the quantity field now to reflect your current on-hand amount. If you allow back orders, you may see an option called continue selling when out of stock. Leave it off to prevent overselling, or turn it on if you intentionally accept orders beyond available stock. When you're done, save your changes so tracking takes effect. That's it. You went to Shopify, opened products, selected the item, navigated to inventory, and turned on tracking. From here, you can return to the products list or use the inventory view to monitor levels across your catalog. Keep your counts accurate, and Shopify will do the rest.